Absolutely. All right. So with you being, doing the guerrilla marketing, I know one tactic or maybe a couple have worked better than others. So what has been the best way for you to get customers so far?
Great question. Sending out flyers, knocking on doors, building relationships, contacting my current customers to see if they have friends who probably possibly could need my services as well too. And I'm telling you, building relationships with my current couple customers has paid off dividends. I mean, tremendously, because they will say, "Well, Diedrich, guess what? My friend has a warehouse down in maybe College Park that need you to come out and do a quote." I'm like, "For really?" So, and I will give them a discount from that previous month. I will give them a discount for referring someone to me. So it's advantageous to them as well. Going out, knocking on doors, um, having cold callers, going out and setting appointments for me as well. So those things has been very instrumental in terms of me gaining more accounts and building relationships. That's the key to it. You got to build relationships. I mean, I think that that's not talked about often, but building relationships with your customers, and then they see your value of your work will pay dividends up to 200% easily.
100%. I agree with you 100% on that.